Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the landmark case of Bijoy Amul versus State of Kerala, which is also known as National Anthem case. Facts of the case are as follows. Jehovah's Witness is a sect whose beliefs are distinct from mainstream Christianity. They believe saluting a flag or singing an anthem ascribes salvation not to God but to state and its leaders. Hence, flag salute and anthem singing are forbidden in their sect, be it Indian, American, or British. In July 1985, three children were expelled from their school after they refused to sing the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. While they stood silently during the morning assembly of the school, they objected to singing the national anthem because it was allegedly against their religious faith of Jehovah's Witness. Upon the expulsion, their father filed a writ petition in the High Court of Kerala contending that expulsion was in violation of the right to freedom of expression and freedom of religion, respectively protected under Article 19 and 25 of the Indian Constitution. The court dismissed the case, finding that no words or thoughts in the national anthem was capable of offending religious convictions. Pursuant to the Article 136 of the Constitution, the father later filed a special leave petition in the Supreme Court of India. Following is the judgment given by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court overturned the suspension because right to freedom of speech and expression included the right to remain silent under Article 19 Section 1 subsection A and freedom of conscience Article 25. Since students stood up and did not disturb others from singing anthem, hence did not violate fundamental duty of respecting flag and anthem under Article 51A.